locking in its own right is good, when it is one-to-one base. But when it is on the street, you get many, it's no good. Whatever it is, that is one penetration, alright? You see here, right? Here, right? No, that is his house, that is my house, right? During ankylation, the finger is weak, he can break, okay? And can break, right? But here and touch him with the finger, you see it? What is catching there? Right? See what I mean? Alright? See what I mean? Here, right? 1, right? 2, right? Alright? Here. 1. Because that is broken, okay? That's broken here. Why here? When he can step out, don't make any difference. That is the reason why that is this. Alright? Right? Because I go the one way, then don't confuse you. Right? Yeah, you see here? Alright? Again. 1. Here. Yes, that's right. You guessed right. Here. See? 1, 2, and he is dropping. And forget it about locks and anything, you know, because the man is asleep, leave him asleep. Honestly, I want to tell you, explain to you, locking in its own right is good when it is one-to-one base. But when it is on the street, you get many, it's no good. I believe in bonds and better. Understood? And besides, anything, of course, you cannot breed violence, but offensive is much better than defensive. Understood? Now, forgive me when I say so, yeah? Right? But that is reason, anything is defensive because you cannot breed violence. Because you should give a proper education that they get well. Remember, no matter what it is. Rewind here, say here, right here. Right? You see here? Alright? Here, here, now. See for here, right? Now. Bang! Right? Alright? Because you have to understand, one, the next follow-up, yeah, that is, he is thinking, okay? That is just a guiding point. But when he is thinking, it's going to be different because he stepped out and he going to rearrange it. But you see, then it become not really what it is. Now, Guru plane, he can, like see one penetration, you see, there, you see, and automatically he can retaliate because right now he don't do it. Like what another thing, okay? Fair? Oh, sweet it is. Okay. When do, then we come and know things from learning. All right? Okay. See here. 1, 2, 3. All right? 1. Right? All right? Will we try it, please? Thank you.